Welcome to the next part of my collection. You're going to look at 28 cars this time. First one is this nice Audi R8. Next up is the Jaguar F-Type Project 7. This is the Forza edition. I have this 1969 Pontiac Firebird. We have this Mazda RX-8. We have the Plymouth Superbird. We have the McLaren Solus. This Dodge Charger. It's in Hot Wheels racing colors. Next up we have this very nice metal on metal Stingray, Corvette Stingray. I think this was in Fast and Furious. I think it was Letty's car in Fast and Furious. I could be wrong though. Next, this is 1969 Pontiac GTO. See again orange as, or the orange one is known as the Judge. I'm not sure if they call this one the Judge as or. And then we have a Chevy 3100, also known as La Troca. Then we have the Chevelle SS. I've got my mother's favorite car, a Fiat 500. Then we have another Chevelle SS. Then we've got this Camaro Z28. We've got the Shelby Daytona. And we've got this Nissan GTR done by Majorette. I do like the Majorette stuff. The 69 Camaro. Dodge SRT8, Dodge Challenger SRT8 that is. And here we have this Ford Sierra Cosworth, known as the Cosy. So this one's actually got rubber tires, not plastic tires. We've got Fiat 500e. This one's a red edition. I mean, you only find it at Target stores in the US. You actually see the word red on it over there. Next is this Honda Civic. Next is this very nicely play-worn Mercedes 300. I think it's the SEL, the one with the gull wings. Next is this Nissan Skyline, the R30. Next we have the first car created by AI. This is called the Zinger. The Zinger 21C. Created by IE. Its parts were generated by IE. AR. Sorry, AR, not IE. AR. Here we have a Chevelle SS. The Urban Outlaw on it, Magnus Walker. There's an actual Magnus Walker badge on it too. We have this very neat little stingray, Corvette stingray. Next up is this Mustang fastback. And the last one up is this Copa Camaro. Thank you for watching until the end.